Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain the connection of the cruise function wires for Fardriver controller. We first find the cruise wire. Cruise wire is pin 17, which is the blue-red wire. Before we start wiring, let's take a quick look how cruise function works first. Now I only turn the throttle. The current speed is about 88. Then I touch the negative pole with the cruise wire. You can see the speed remains the same without turning the throttle. And touch the negative pole again with the cruise wire to exit cruise mode. And next, I will use the button on the combination switch to turn on and off the cruise function. Since combination switch does not have cruise button, I will use repair button instead. And what we need to do next is to connect the controller cruise wire to the combination switch cruise wire, and connect common negative wire of the controller to the negative wire of the combination switch. Now I believe you all understand. Let's start wiring. Now we can press the button to enter cruise mode. And there are 3 ways to exit cruise mode. Method 1. Press button again. Method 2. Turn the throttle. Method 3. Press the brake.